Hello everyone, welcome back to the 3D Mechanical Design channel. Today I'll show you how does the toggle clamp work. Before we start, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this tutorial useful. Let's get started. What is toggle clamp? Toggle clamps provide quick, secure workpiece holding through a simple lever linkage mechanism. They lock firmly with minimal effort due to their over-center design. I modeled the air-powered hold-down toggle clamp. As for the 3D model, you can download the link in the description. First, see how toggle clamp works. Toggle clamps feature a cylinder or handle, clamping arm, and linkages mounted to a base. Moving the handle or cylinder shaft aligns the linkages in a straight line. Directing force straight into the fixed base pivot for a strong lock that resists vibration or load. This over-center alignment creates high clamping force, often hundreds of pounds, while requiring perpendicular handle motion to release, so workpiece pressure doesn't unlock it. Let's dive deeper into building our toggle clamp assembly. We'll break down each component. Base and bracket setup. Start with a sturdy base plate for mounting the entire assembly. The first component is the bracket, which will hold the main components. Secure the bracket to it using 4 mounting bolts. This bracket cradles all pivots, ensuring over-center lockup aligns forces directly into the base. Cylinder installation. Mount a pneumatic cylinder, here 2.5-inch bore, 3.5-inch stroke for compact action, to the bracket. Align it with the pre-drilled holes on bracket. Then insert flanges sleeve bearings. And followed by washers. Secure with shoulder screws, they allow free rotation under load while the cylinder rod extends precisely 3.5 millimeters to drive linkage motion. Repeat on the other side. Linkage and arm assembly. Attach the main clamping arm to the bracket's upper pivot hole using a hardened steel pin. Connect the first linkage between the cylinder rod end and arm midpoint with shear-resistant pins. Add the next linkages and steel pins. Pressure plate finishing. Bolt the pressure plate to the arm end, adjustable via stackable shims, 0.5 to 2.5 millimeters thick, for exact workpiece height. Secure with 2 cap screws and 2 dowel pins to prevent slip under dynamic loads. Test by cycling. Extend cylinder to lock, linkages straighten, retract to release. Before we test our model, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this tutorial useful. Grab the free 3D model from the description link. New videos are posted weekly, so don't miss out.